Call organization can go a long way to providing customers with a proper experience that guarantees consistency and satisfaction. With this new feature, you can create and use call dispositions to trigger workflows and automate follow-up. Let's learn how to use it. Navigate to the Voice tab in the Phone System section of your account settings and select Custom Dispositions. Click Add Disposition to create a new entry or click the pencil icon to edit an existing disposition. In Workflows, add the Call Details trigger and use the Custom Disposition filter to automate follow-ups. When finishing up a call on the web dialer, select a disposition to trigger your connected automation. This update gives you control, letting you customize the dispositions to better fit your needs and making it easy to trigger automations based on your selections, simultaneously increasing your call management efficiency. Create categories to sort calls into, helping you simplify follow-up processes by using automation that is triggered by your selection rather than the system standard, and provide customers with a cohesive experience. We hope you enjoy it.